Today, we are going to install and modify the DRT Motorsports ABS hood scoop to properly fit when a wind diffuser or full windshield is already installed. Install time is about 15 to 25 minutes. Can be installed by yourself with a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Start by using the T40 Torx socket, and remove the two bolts holding on the OE plastic hood bodywork. Remove the bodywork, then set the two bolts briefly aside. Now, it's time to install your new DRT ABS hood scoop. But, you have a wind diffuser or windshield, and the scoop doesn't fit. Let's fix that. First, insert the front tabs of the scoop into the slotted bodywork, and lay the scoop down flat onto the wind diffuser, as we have here. Make sure the front end is in tight and lined up. Next, grab some masking tape, and begin to lay out our first cut. Start to lay the tape straight up from the point the scoop crosses over the diffuser. Do this on both sides, inside and outside edges. You can see in these two close-up images that we start the tape at the bend point on the diffuser. Now, remove the scoop, and make your first cut following the tape edge. Cut both side ends of the scoop. Next, set the scoop back in place, resting the back of the scoop on the diffuser. Push down slightly so you can make sure it is seated properly. Then, take your Sharpie, and draw a line as close to the edge as possible, following the angle of the diffuser. We will begin to make cuts. Cut off small increments at a time, so we can adjust the angles as the scoop begins to sit flat on the hood. Look through the top mounting holes, and make sure that the holes line up, without the scoop bowing upward. If the scoop does this, keep shaving off the plastic where it touches the diffuser. Once you dial in the scoop against the diffuser, don't forget to leave a small clearance gap. How small, or large of a gap, is up to you. Once you have your angles as you want them, and the proper amount of plastic removed, sand down the rough edges, with a file or fine sandpaper to finish off the fit. Then, double-check the final fit, and reinstall the two upper T40 Torx bolts, and tighten them down. This is just one example of fitting the hood scoop to an aftermarket product. The products may vary in size and shape, but the process of cutting, and following angles, to flow your scoop in with the product, remain the same. Just remember to take off a little at a time, and you will be good. Congrats, that completes your DRT, RZR, ABS hood scoop modification install. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.